Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resolve permission issues when installing software in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded up and ready to go. Once your PC has fully booted and you're at your desktop, you're ready to begin fixing those pesky permission issues that prevent you from installing software smoothly. To get started, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Windows Start menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Once the menu appears, you'll notice a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in User Account Control Settings. This is the key feature that controls how Windows handles permission requests whenever you try to install new software or make system changes. After typing in the search term, press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the User Account Control Settings window, which is where you can adjust how strictly Windows monitors installation and system modification activities. This window contains a slider that controls the level of notifications you receive when apps try to make changes to your computer. Now here's the important part. You'll see a vertical slider on the left side of the window with different notification levels. Currently, it might be set to notify you frequently about software installations and system changes. What you want to do is grab that slider and drag it all the way down to the bottom option that says Never Notify. By selecting this setting, you're telling Windows to stop asking for administrator permission every time you try to install software or make changes to system settings. This effectively removes those permission barriers that have been blocking your software installations. Once you've moved the slider to Never Notify, Windows will allow installations and system changes to proceed directly without constantly interrupting you with permission prompts. This makes the installation process much smoother and eliminates those frustrating permission-denied errors that can stop software from installing properly. And that's it. You've successfully resolved permission issues for installing software on Windows 11 by adjusting your user account control settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.